How is that going, guys? Mutemoya back again with another video. So guys, I know today I look different. The other video I just took my camera and started recording it because I was busy the whole day and then I just started recording it. But today video I decided to maybe be a little bit neat. So guys, in today's video I want us to talk about my first impression with the Nikon Z5. Of course, I did a first shoot. I did my first shoot with it today, and guys, trust me, what I got back was really nice. Before that, I was watching videos on YouTube, people giving it the names like, oh, it's a beginner camera, you'll purchase it if you are a beginner photographer. And also I was almost giving up with it because of what I was seeing on YouTube. But trust me, today I did my first shoot and what I got back was really amazing. So let me show you something. So as I was saying, guys, this camera is really amazing because if you can see, these are some raw images. You can see I'm here in Lightroom, and these images are actually very raw. And guys, my first impression with this camera, it's really amazing. I added this mylar paper right here to give me a certain depth in the image and this water-like effect, and these images came out really nice. And if I can show you the edited version of these images, you can see these images, guys, I'm so much in love with them. I can't wait to release this on my Instagram. So these are just some of the images which I've shot with the Nikon Z5, and trust me guys, this camera is amazing. As you can see, the tones of this camera look amazing, and when I mix with my skills of color grading, evening skin tone and everything, I get amazing results. And if I can show you the unedited, I'm sure I've showed you before. I like the first impression of the camera. It's really amazing. I like what I was 50-50 with the results I'll get, but after I did this shoot, guys, I have so much confidence in the camera, and plus my skills, I'm sure I can achieve some amazing images. So now, since we are done with the results, now let's talk about how watching these what are they called, critiques of cameras, and which camera is better, Canon, Sony, Nikon. I prefer you get it yourself and you do the trials yourself, because actually, as I was saying, I even called the person who sold me the camera. I was like, oh, I don't like I feel like I made a mistake purchasing this camera, but after doing the shoot, guys, I feel like the camera is worthy the amount, the money, it's worthy everything. And if you're good with color grading, if you're good with playing around with skin tones, and if you're good with maybe setting up lighting and everything, this is a camera which can help you get even the Canon R5 or the Nikon Z9. But you have to start with this, or you can also help you get the Sony A7 IV. And yeah, so nowadays the videos I'm doing are just more of talking to you guys and giving my feedback on things and giving my comparison, because I've been in the industry for some let's say almost 4 years right now, and I've used several cameras, and my first impressions always matters. The Sony first impression was really amazing. I don't know, my Instagram is not logged. I could have shown you the photos. It was really nice, but as time went by, I learned that the photos used to take me so much time to, the photos came out really nice, but they used to take me so much time to even the skin tones. And guys, trust me, these photos of this Nikon Z5, I shot them today, and we are around, I know the time I'm recording this video, it's around 12 midnight, and the photos already I've already edited them. They took me like 1 hour to edit these photos, and they came out really nice. That's one thing I really opted to get the Nikon camera. So what I can say is, if you're a photographer or if you're a beginner photographer, don't follow so much what you see online. I prefer you research, or if you have a photographer who is your friend, or who you have seen them grow, you just approach them and ask them which camera do they think is perfect, and or just consider if you can check out the cameras they've been using, how their work has been looking, and how their work has improved, and then you can consider buying the camera either they started with or the camera they're using right now. And that's my advice. But my feedback for the Nikon Z5, for the first impression, the camera is really amazing. And if you're good with colors, if you are good with color, if you are good with lighting, retouch, and perfect shots on camera, trust me, this is the camera you can go for. It's actually very affordable. I got mine for like 155 body only, 1,000 Kenyan shillings. That's for the body only. And then I added an adapter. The total, it costed me around 257,000 Kenyan shillings. That's around $250,000. And I feel it's worthy the amount. It's worthy everything I invested in it. And yeah, I feel it's a good camera, because my guys, when I was going to the shop, I had the intention of getting the Canon EOS R or the Sony A7 IV or A7R4, but I needed to check. I didn't want to maybe break the bank, or I didn't want to maybe use most of my savings on investing in a new camera, and I had to get the camera which lies under my budget and will still do the work for me. And that's why I got the Nikon Z5, and trust me, I'm not disappointed in it. I like how the images came out for the first. I can't wait to do as many shoots as possible with this camera, and yeah, let's push the shutter count, see how the images come out. But I'm really impressed by these images. And guys, I can't wait to post these images on my Instagram tomorrow. I can't wait to see for people's feedback, for clients' feedback, and everything. And yeah, let's keep on creating, and just go for what works for you, or for where your budget fits. And trust me guys, gear doesn't matter, but if you get a better gear, not more of you can't get a Nikon D50-300 and you compare the work with the Nikon D780, D850, Z5 or Z7, Z6II. You can't compare that. But where your budget lies, just get the camera and just start. Invest in skills too, and trust me, you'll be good to go. You can start making money, save, and continue upgrading your gear. But for me, what I mostly focused on getting some good lighting. I focus on getting props for my studio. I focus on getting I've created so many color alerts, I've created so many presets. So for me, the skills matter for me, and for the gear still matter. But with the right skills and almost the best gear, you are good to go. And that's why I needed to go back to Nikon. And trust me, I'm not disappointed. I'm really happy with it. I know I feel like I'm repeating myself. I don't know. I'm just trying to make this video as long as possible. But yeah, the video was all about my first impression with this camera. Trust me guys, it's a really nice camera, and I could advise anyone, if you have a tight budget, if you have like maybe $1,500, $1,400, just get the camera and add a few dollars, get the 85mm, because the 85mm is always my go-to lens, and you are good to go. You have there. You can start with the Nikon Z5. You can also, if you are also an intermediate photographer, if you're already in the industry, you can also get the Nikon Z5, and trust me, you are good to go. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm really glad. I'm trying to do this as much as possible. As you can see, my confidence is very good. I can talk. What I decided is I'll be talking to the camera as I'm talking to someone, and that's why you can see I'm not correct. I'm not trying to perfect anything. I'm just trying to have a conversation. Guys, I'm really sorry. Just my light just went off. Okay, I'm back. So what I was saying is what I've been trying to do these videos like I'm talking to someone, and that way I'll put as much information out there as possible. And yeah, that's the video was all about my first impression. Yeah, the video was all about my first impression with the Nikon Z5, and trust me guys, it's amazing. I can't wait to do another video on the follow-up on the results I get in my next shoot. And yeah, let's keep creating. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, go check me out at mutemwa _mutemwa_ or photographer in Nairobi. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Like this video so that it can be recommended to as many photographers as possible, as many upcoming photographers as possible, guys. And yeah, thank you guys for everything, and see you in the next video. Peace out. And sorry about the lighting, guys. Sorry about the lighting. Peace out. Whew.